everybody. First of all, thank you for the invitation, and thank you all for being here on a Friday evening. That's awesome. So my name is Anna. I am from Italy, but I moved to Lisbon, Portugal about 3 years ago to do a master in environment and sustainability. And that's when I heard about zero waste for the first time, and to me it clicked automatically. I understood right away that I wanted to reduce my impact on the environment and that I had the power to really make a change with my daily habits. And that's the moment also when I started to realize that in Lisbon, when it rains, I don't know why, but the streets are full of broken umbrellas. I don't know if it happens the same where you're from, but I swear to you, you walk around and you find broken umbrellas every few meters, abandoned and sad and lonely. In Lisbon, what happens to waste? It goes directly into incineration, which means emissions of gases, and we cannot really afford that. So I didn't want that to happen, and I started to bring all the umbrellas to my house, even if I had no idea what I was going to do with them, until I had about 30 broken umbrellas. And, when they're broken, they're not like nice and tidy. They're like open like this, and they occupy a lot of space. And my room was super tiny at that time. So I really had to find a solution. I did a little research, and I noticed that no one was making coats with umbrellas. So I thought that I could try it. So I bought a sewing machine, and I spent a crazy amount of hours on YouTube, like sewing 101, to try and understand how to turn on the sewing machine. And I made the first coat that I decided to call our coat, using about 3 broken umbrellas. You can see more on my account, which is called Hero to Zero, and it's where I share all about my zero waste lifestyle and about this project. What I love most about this project is that now it's a community-based project. So the cool thing when I started sharing these pictures of the coats is that, yes, people love the result, but also they love the fact that they could bring their broken umbrellas to me and reduce their environmental impact. So everyone started donating it, and I had so many umbrellas that I couldn't really handle it. So I had to open collection points around Portugal. So they're in not every city, but they're in many cities, and people can just save the broken umbrellas from going to waste and bring into the collection points. Then we bring everything to Lisbon, and we work with seamstress of that area.